Today I'm going to show you the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase. This is a product for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, also compatible with the Z Flip 5. The instruction guide, extended warranty right here. Then we have the hinge and lens protector. So this is going to be the back right here, the hinge protector with the 5mm raised bezel to help protect the hinge if you drop it. And then on the back we have the kickstand as well. For the front screen, going to have some protection right here, lens protection. The camera cutouts, some nice durable carbon fiber looking bumpers on the side, and then we have the belt clip right here. Super durable, has the 360 rotational right here on the back. It's also drop tested as well, exceeds military standards. And then let's do a quick little installation. So for the bottom, slides right on. And then the front screen, same thing. Just slides right on. Make sure you snap that in. Has a nice rugged feel to it. Got the precise cutouts for the charging, everything you need. Volume buttons work good, power button works good. There's that hinge protector on the front. And then for the belt clip, snaps right in. Super solid. I tested this out at work. It holds really good on your belt. And then to release, right here. Try the kickstand. There it is. That's the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, and I picked this up on Amazon for around $40 if you're interested. This is just a quick little product review and unboxing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.